Squire. Get! What do you want? He wants me to scratch his butt. Squire, you're a silly goose. The silly boy. What? Oh, gonna get you. Squire. Silly boy. There he is. He wants his butt scratched. Oh, he's scratching the butt. You are so silly. You're a silly goose. Oh, he's tired. Okay, we're turning off the camera. Goodbye.